Chief Justice of India, CJI Chandrachud, has named Justice Sanjiv Khanna, the second most senior judge of the Supreme Court, as his successor in a letter to the Union Law Ministry. The letter is written as per convention, where the retiring Chief Justice of India nominates his successor, who is usually also the second most senior judge. This recommendation is approved by the Union government after consideration. Justice Chandrachud, who took over as the CJI in November 2022, will be completing his tenure as the Chief Justice of the country on November 10th. As you might know, the age limit for the judges of the Supreme Court is set at 65 years. Speaking at an event in Bhutan on October 9th, the current CJI said about his tenure, quote, "Pardon me for being a little vulnerable. I will be demitting office as the Chief Justice of India in November this year, after having served my country for 2 years. As my tenure is coming to an end, my mind has been heavily preoccupied with fears and anxieties about the future and the past. I find myself pondering over questions such as, did I achieve everything I set out to do? How will history judge my tenure? Could I have done things differently? What legacy will I leave for future generations of judges and legal professionals?" Unquote. Justice Khanna will be taking over as the CJI after the current CJI vacates his office on November 10th as the 51st Chief Justice of India. Justice Khanna enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Delhi in 1983. He practiced law at Tisazari Court and later in the High Court of Delhi and tribunals. Justice Khanna also served as the Senior Standing Counsel for the Income Tax Department and became the Standing Counsel for the National Capital Territory of Delhi in 2004. Justice Khanna appeared as an additional public prosecutor and an amicus curiae in criminal cases at the Delhi High Court, later becoming an additional judge of the Delhi High Court in 2005 and a permanent judge in 2006. Justice Khanna also served in positions such as Chairman and Judge in Charge, Delhi Judicial Academy, Delhi International Arbitration Centre and the District Court Mediation Centres. On January 18, 2019, he was elevated as a judge of the Supreme Court. He is presently the Executive Chairman of National Legal Services Authority and a member of the Governing Council of the National Judicial Academy, Bhopal. Justice Khanna was part of constitutional benches that upheld the abrogation of Article 370 of the Constitution and struck down the electoral bond scheme.